Tip number 2, do not exaggerate and do not make your case sound better than it is. Almost no case is perfect. Well, some cases might be considered perfect, but generally most cases have strengths and weaknesses. You don't need to make your case sound better than it is because it will only hurt your credibility. And if you're caught exaggerating one time, this will cast doubt on your other testimony. Examples. You're a plaintiff in an injury case. You've been in an accident, and the attorney who is taking your deposition is asking you, did you injure your head in that accident? And you say yes. How about your neck? Yes. Back? Yes. Left knee? Yes. Right knee? Yes. Ankles? Yes. It just doesn't sound like it makes sense. It's very hard to injure every single part of your body in a car accident. It's perfectly fine to say truthfully that my left shoulder was injured, but not my right. My left knee was hurt, but not my right. Also, if you suffered relatively moderate injuries and you are saying that 2 years since the injury, you feel exactly the same pain as you did 2 years ago, this also doesn't make much sense. It's perfectly fine to say that you're pain-free now, if it's true, or that you're much better. Examples from the world of employment law and wrongful termination. Do you believe that you've been discriminated because of your age? Yes. How about race? Yes. How about religion? Yes. Disability? Yes. National origin? Yes. I mean, come on. Did the employer really discriminate against you based on every single classification that I mentioned? This is highly unlikely. Testify about what truly happened. Testify about the strong facts in your case. And don't just add things up because you're trying to throw kitchen and sink during your testimony on the other side. It's not going to help you. It's only going to dilute your story and make it sound like you're just trying to go with anything you can to see what will stick. Not a good idea. Doesn't impress judges, doesn't impress juries, doesn't impress lawyers. Tip number 3. Never lose your cool during your deposition. Just because the lawyer who is asking your questions is becoming angry or dramatic or he's putting a